Hey parents, are you looking for ways to help your kids learn faster and enjoy studying? AI tools might be just what you need. In this video, I'll show you how AI can make learning fun and personalized. Plus, I'll share 3 simple hacks to start using AI for your kids' education today. Let's dive in. Part 1. How AI can transform learning for kids. AI is revolutionizing the way kids learn by making education more personalized and engaging. It can adapt to your child's unique learning style, helping them grasp difficult topics faster. From math to reading, AI-powered tools like adaptive quizzes, virtual tutors, and gamified apps are designed to keep your kids motivated while they learn. Part 2. Top AI hacks for school topics. Here are 3 amazing AI hacks that you can start using today. 1. AI-powered homework. Help. Tools like ChatGPT can simplify complex topics and answer your child's questions in a way they understand. 2. Interactive learning apps. Apps like Khan Academy Kids or Duolingo use AI to create personalized lesson plans for subjects like math, science, and languages. 3. Gamified learning. AI-based games like Prodigy or Quizlet Live make studying fun by turning school topics into interactive challenges. 3. These tools boost engagement and make learning feel like playtime. Part 3. Why these AI hacks work. Kids love engaging, interactive tools, and that's exactly what AI provides. By making lessons personalized and fun, AI helps your children stay focused and excited about learning. The best part? Many of these tools are free or affordable. Actionable steps to use AI for your kids' learning. 1. Explore AI tools. Try apps like Khan Academy, ChatGPT, or Duolingo with your child to find what works best for their learning style. 2. Set a routine. Incorporate AI tools into daily study sessions for consistent learning progress. 3. Monitor progress. Use AI's analytics features to track your child's strengths and areas for improvement. Then adjust their study plans as needed. Conclusion. AI is making learning more fun, accessible, and effective for kids everywhere. By exploring these tools, setting a routine, and monitoring progress, you can help your child excel in school topics with ease. Which AI hack will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other parents who want to make learning smarter for their kids. See you in the next one.